Eric Barnfine with Forest River Diesel Class A Motorhomes. Today we're standing in the brand new 45G Berkshire XLT. The interior on this coach is the ebony desert cabinetry with the seashore interior. Now let's go ahead and kind of take a look at some of the features that we have right here in the living room of this coach. If you notice, you're going to have opposing sofas and you're going to have power theater seats right across from that 50-inch pop-up TV. The nice thing about having the pop-up TV or the TV on the televator is that I'm not going to lose that window. If you notice, I'm nice and reclined in the theater seat. It's a great place to relax as I'm spending more time on the road in this coach. As we move beyond the living room, we're going to enter that next zone of this coach. And if you notice, this next zone is going to be our kitchen dining area. So let's take a look at the kitchen to start. You're going to have that nice solid surface kitchen countertop. You're going to get a little cutting board extension here. If you notice, that cutting board will actually roll back, so I still have full access to the drawer. I got the nice big farmhouse style kitchen sink with the cup washer. Next, we move to the induction cooktop. I got the dishwasher hidden underneath. And right above that, I'm going to have the convection microwave. As we move over, one real cool thing about this kitchen that's brand new for this floor plan is you're going to have an appliance garage. So if you notice, I got a little tray here that slides out, and there's also going to be a 110 outlet up here. So I could take something like an air fryer, leave it on this tray and leave it plugged in, and I can hide it away when it's not in use. Now let's move over to the dining side of the kitchen area. I'm going to have that nice big booth style dinette. It's nice and big to where I can actually get 4 people at it. It also is going to convert down to a bed if I need that additional sleeping. The best part about this dinette though is the additional storage that you're going to get underneath the dinette cushions. Next, we're going to move down to the refrigerator. If you notice, your refrigerator right across from the kitchen, but one thing that it's not going to do, it's not going to interfere with that living room area. I got the nice big 23 cubic foot French door style fridge. You got water in the door in a canister, and you also have an ice maker built into the freezer. Finally, next to that, I'm going to have this nice big pantry with 5 slide out shelves. Now, let's talk about some of the accent features on this coach. One thing that you're going to notice is you're going to see this nice big light here. And this is going to be an LED light. And that's going to be able to change colors. Right now, it's going to be the base standard of a white light, but you're going to have a red, blue, green, yellow option, even orange for this light. The other thing that I like to point out on this interior is going to be that it's our modern take on everything. So if you look at, you're going to find different textures throughout this coach and different charms to kind of give it that modern feel, whether it's the ceiling decor up here in the living room, or it's the things like this rib wall right here that the slide is on. It's going to add that extra touch to make you feel like you're in a modernly built coach. Another one of those nice aesthetic touches that we have throughout the coach is going to be how we did these interior doors. There's still going to be a solid wood door, but if you notice, they're going to have that glass insert along with the wood, giving you that true modern feel and modern look. Next, let's kind of walk into this half bath. If you look at this half bath, I got plenty of room to turn around. The toilet's in a great position to where I can be comfortable doing my business there. And then I got a nice big sink here that's deep enough that I can actually get my hands down in the sink to wash them very efficiently. Now let's talk about this bedroom storage area. If you notice, I got a nice little desk space here. And what we envision this space being used for, it's either that great makeup counter. I do have plenty of storage behind here, all around here. Or it's going to be that nice workstation that doesn't conflict with the actual living space of the coach, to where if you are looking to work on the road, you got a desk area built in. I also got my bank of drawers for my dresser. I'm going to pick up a little bit of hidden storage behind the TV. And I'm going to feature a bedroom fireplace on this XLT. And if I notice, this fireplace will actually open up, and I got some shelving back there. Now let's talk about the bed area itself. The bed that's going to be featured on this Berkshire XLT is going to be a 72 by 80 inch mattress. It's going to be a foam mattress with a pillow top on it. It's also going to feature that motorized feature to where during the day I can actually run the bed up to where it's in the tilt-a-view position to give me that extra floor space. So if I am working at the desk, I got more foot room. Now, let's talk about the ceiling fan. You're going to find a ceiling fan in every Berkshire XLT. This one's going to give you that modern touch Back in the rear bath of this coach, what you're going to notice first off is how roomy it is. This rear bathroom is going to feature a stackable washer and dryer as I first walk in. I'm also going to pick up a little storage drawer underneath that. So next we have the double vanity sinks. If you notice, they're nice and deep. Once again, I can get my hands underneath the wash real easy. I got that great amount of storage space so I can leave my belongings out for my toiletries. Now let's showcase the wardrobe space in this rear bathroom. If I turn around here and open up these big double doors, what I'm going to find is I got a nice big closet wardrobe space here. I also have a little shelf here that I can place any of my belongings on, and some drawers. And even back in this wardrobe, I'm also going to find a safe that can be used. Next to the wardrobe, I'm going to have two big cabinets that I can open up that have additional shelving in there. So really that rear wall of this coach is going to be all storage. Next, in between there, I'm going to have the toilet. If you look at the toilet positioning, it's going to give me plenty of space for me to do my business. And finally, up front here, we're going to have the shower. If you notice with the shower, I got a nice big seat that can flip up against the wall, and I really have a lot of room in this shower to move around.